Hello everyone, this is my review of the Jones soda. This one here is strawberry and lime. And this brand makes their sodas with real cane sugar, not artificial sugar. So if you like cane sugar, I used to grow up eating sugar cane, so I do like cane sugar. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open it up and pour some out so you can see it in a cup. Got a cup of ice here, and there you go. How it fizzes and foams up and looks really good, nice and bright, and it's delicious. So I highly recommend this soda brand, and I hope this review helps.